What is good? What is up? Cutie swag gang.
How you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis. How you did that? That look like a brand new booty. How you did that?
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the group tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merging. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you frozen. Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the group tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order.
Alright y'all, so I'm finally here and she here with me. Okay y'all, so this vlog, oh sorry, I just bust right into it. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and share this video, y'all, because we on our way to 600. Hopefully before I drop this video, we at 600, so we on our way to 700. But yeah, keep sharing and subscribe. Also, make sure y'all follow my social medias. They're gonna be down here. Yeah, but this vlog is gonna be a get ready with me for my photo shoot. Me and my sister's birthday is coming up, so we're gonna be getting a photo shoot. Plus, spend the weekend with me at Morgan, y'all, because I now go to a HBCU, and not a PWI. So let's get to it. For real, get y'all a metal sweatsuit because it's more comfortable than Nike, and y'all know me, I love some Nike. Metal doing anything. We walking her campus. We about to get some food and probably go bowling. Either bowling, somewhere. We're gonna go somewhere fun though. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we actually doing something. We got the bowling alley.
Talk for your baby girl, burn somebody block for your doorway. You make me feel these days, calling out my body for your baby girl, wipe them like a snotty for your baby girl.
The light is black because the game is over, and this hoe wanna get the last pin. It's like her 7th try. Do it for the vine. Do it for the... You're never coming with me again. Alright y'all, so we still in the process of getting ready. We low-key like not rushing but rushing, so we're not rushing, but we're dressed somewhat. We're not fully dressed. Let me show, can I show you? Alright, hold on, I'm about to show you. Alright y'all, so we done pretty much. We just gotta put the gloves on. I gotta curl my hair. But yeah. Y'all, I have the studio waiting to get in.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it up.